Hello and welcome back to Easy English Talks.
Hi everyone! We are very happy you are here today.
If you are new to this channel,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Amy.
On this channel, we help you learn English.
Easy English.
Simple English.
Real conversation English.
Today, we have a very exciting topic.
Yes, a topic many people love.
Today, we are going to talk about
How to talk about traveling in easy English.
perfect for beginners.
Let's get started.
Warm-up conversation.
So, Sam, how are you today?
I'm feeling great, Amy. How about you?
I'm good too. A little tired, but happy.
Why are you tired?
Because I was thinking about traveling.
Thinking makes you tired?
No, packing makes me tired.
Ah, yes, packing is hard. Julie, what is traveling?
Amy, let me ask you a simple question. What is traveling?
Good question.
Traveling means going to another place.
Yes,
You can travel to another city
another country.
or another town
Traveling can be short.
or long.
I like traveling.
I like traveling. I don't like traveling.
I don't like traveling. Places you can travel to. Amy, where do people travel?
Many places.
For example,
People travel to cities.
like Paris.
New York. People also travel to nature places.
Easy vocabulary. Types of travel.
Sam, how do people travel?
By plane.
By car?
By bus.
By train?
Some people travel by ship.
Or boat?
Repeat. I travel by plane.
I travel by plane. I travel by bus.
I travel by bus.
I travel by train.
I travel by train.
I travel by train.
Useful word, trip. Sam, what is a trip?
A trip is a journey.
You go somewhere.
And come back.
Example sentence.
I went on a trip last year.
Talking about past travel. Amy, have you traveled before?
Yes, I have.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach. Last summer.
Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
Simple past practice.
I went to the beach.
I went to the beach.
I traveled last year.
I traveled last year. Feelings about traveling. Sam, how do you feel when you travel?
I feel excited.
Excited means happy and energetic.
I feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm.
Here are some other feeling words.
Asking viewers,
Now, we want to ask you, do you like traveling?
where do you want to travel?
Write in the comments.
Use easy English.
Travel items basics. Sam, what do people take when they travel?
A bag.
A suitcase.
Phone charger.
Repeat.
Short practice dialogue.
Amy, do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I do.
Because it is fast.
Do you like traveling by bus?
Not really.
Why not?
Because it is slow.
Amy, let's talk about planning a trip.
Yes, planning is very important.
What does planning mean?
Planning means thinking before you travel.
Thinking about where to go
How to go?
and where to stay.
Choosing a place.
Amy, how do you choose a place to travel?
First, I think about my budget.
Budget means money.
Yes, how much money I have.
That's smart.
Then I think about time. Yes, how many days.
Short trip or long trip?
Easy practice. I plan my trip.
I plan my trip.
I think about my budget.
I think about my budget. Tickets. Amy, how do you buy tickets?
I buy tickets online.
Online means on the internet. Plane tickets?
Yes, plane or train tickets.
Do you buy early?
Yes, early tickets are cheaper.
Useful words. Julie, packing for travel.
Amy, packing is hard.
Very hard.
What do you pack first?
Of course.
Then shoes.
How many shoes?
Too many.
Everyone packs too many shoes.
Repeat. I pack my clothes.
I pack my clothes.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
Important packing items.
What are important things?
Very important.
Phone charger.
To use your phone.
Always useful.
airport words. Now let's go to the airport.
What do you do first at the airport?
I check in.
Check in means tell the airline you are here.
Then security.
Security check.
Simple airport conversation.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you like flying?
Why sometimes?
I'm scared of flying.
That's common, but I like the view.
The view from the window is beautiful.
Edfin.
Feelings practice.
I feel scared.
I feel scared.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Travel problems.
Travel is fun, but problems happen.
Like delayed flights.
Delayed means late.
Lost luggage.
Very stressful.
Problem sentences.
My flight is delayed.
My flight is delayed.
My bag is lost.
My bag is lost.
Asking for help. Amy, what do you do if you need help?
I ask politely.
That's a good idea.
Excuse me, can you help me?
That's perfect English.
Practice polite English.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
can you help me?
can you help me?
How to talk about traveling.
Now let's talk about hotels. Do you stay in hotels? What do you do at a hotel?
I check in.
Again, check in.
Yes, same word.
Mini conversation.
Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Here is your key.
Thank you. We talked about many things.
In part 3,
We will talk about
travel experiences
returning home.
and full review.
See you in part 3. Amy, now we are at our travel place.
Yes, we arrived.
How do you feel?
I feel happy and excited.
Travel makes me feel alive.
Me too.
Sightseeing. Amy, what do you do first in a new place?
I go sightseeing.
Sightseeing means seeing places.
Yes, famous places.
Tourist places.
Old buildings.
Easy practice. I go sightseeing.
I go sightseeing. I visit famous places.
Easy word, visit.
Visit means go and see.
I visit a museum.
Very good.
Asking for directions.
Sometimes we don't know the way.
Yes, we ask for directions.
Directions mean the way.
Simple English helps.
Simple direction talk.
Excuse me, where is the museum?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat. Where is the hotel?
Where is the hotel?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Eating while traveling. Amy, let's talk about food.
My favorite topic.
Do you try local food?
Yes, always.
Local food means food from that place.
It is fresh and special.
Restaurant English. Let's go to a restaurant.
Hello, can I see the menu?
Here you are.
Thank you. Useful word. Menu.
Menu is the food list.
Repeat. I would like rice.
I would like rice.
Can I have tea?
Can I have tea?
Talking about taste.
Amy, how is the food?
It is delicious.
Delicious means very tasty. Is it spicy?
A little spicy.
Taste words.
Daily life while traveling.
Amy, what does your day look like when traveling?
I wake up early
Why early?
to see more places.
Good idea.
Daily travel routine.
Wake up.
Eat breakfast.
Go sightseeing.
Eat lunch.
Go out again.
Sleep early.
Repeat. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I explore the city.
I explore the city.
Useful word, explore.
Explore means look around.
Find new places. Shopping while traveling. Amy, do you like shopping on trips?
Yes, I do.
What do you buy?
Souvenirs.
Souvenirs for gifts.
Yes, small gifts.
Shopping talk.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Can you give a discount?
A little discount.
Useful word. Discount.
Discount means lower price.
Everyone likes discounts.
Talking to people. Amy, do you talk to local people? Are you scared?
A little, but it helps my English.
Talking is good practice.
Small talk.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Nice to meet you.
Repeat. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Taking photos.
Amy, do you take photos?
Yes, many photos. To remember the trip.
Memories are important.
Useful word. Memory.
Memory means something you remember.
Feeling tired.
Travel can be tiring,
Yes, very tiring.
but happy tired.
Happy tired.
Repeat.
I feel tired,
I feel tired,
but I feel happy.
but I feel happy.
Preparing to go home.
Now the trip is ending.
Time to go home.
How do you feel?
Happy and a little sad.
Same here.
Again, I pack my bag again.
Is it easy?
No, more things now.
Repeat.
I am going home.
I am going home.
I miss my bed.
I miss my bed.
After coming home.
Amy, what do you do after travel?
Amy, what do you do after travel?
I rest.
Good idea.
I share photos.
Tell stories. Let's review.
We talked about planning,
Airport English.
going home.
Very good. Question of the day.
Now, question of the day,
Where do you want to travel?
and why?
Write one simple sentence.
Thank you for learning with us.
You are doing great.
Your English is improving.
Keep practicing.
Like this video
Subscribe to the Talk Aura channel.
and share with friends.
See you next time.
Bye!